We got thunderstorms, tornado warnings, rain. It's just barreling down on us. The alarms from the tornado just went off in town, and the wind's blowing so much you can see the like the rain's kind of making sheets of rain coming down. Kind of scary. And I lost my watch, my iWatch, and I had to try to find it. And somehow I threw it in the trash, and I had to dump out the trash. Oh God! And look through the trash to try to find it. Well, there's still people out running around. The bad thing is my son, one of my sons works outside for an irrigation company. And I hate the thought that he's out in this mess. I hope they let him off work. Yeah, the rains are kind of like sheets of rain. The wind's blowing so much. But I don't know if you can see the road, how it's doing out there in the road. But it is crazy. It's been thundering really bad, lightning, rain, tornado warnings. I'm in Central East Missouri right now because of the weather. I was headed out. I need to go to the post office, drop something off, but I'm not going unless this stops. I hope you heard that. If you heard that thunder, let me know. It might be getting a little lighter. I don't know. Maybe not. But anyway, I just wanted to make a short video, show you what was going on. Thanks for watching.